Alrighty, it doesn't look much in the video, but let me tell you, pouncing around with all these little junctions and stuff takes a fair while. That's all one piece of wire there that jumps across, and it takes a bit to sometimes get these little things to play ball and whatnot. A lot of bits and bobs. Yeah, stupid VSR. They give you these screws that are too short, so I had to pluck out some others. Blasted things only sit, just tiny, like that much above the blooming box. And I'm like, how the hell's that going to hold in? So, typical blooming Chinese stuff. They give you screws that are really not big enough. Never. They never, ever, ever do. Even gate latches and everything. The screws are never big enough. And then often when you actually go to wind those in, you'll find that it's not even proper smelted steel. It's just like melted iron ore, and it's some of them are so soft you just strip them out like out the Phillips head straight away, and the damn things that just trust me, when you buy things that have included screws, never use included screws because they're crap. But anyway, got a few bits and bobs here, and that's all little tags telling me what's going to where and everything like that. There's your basic circuit there. It's your main battery VSR, deep cycle / coach battery, charge controller, photovoltaics, which will eventually end up going into this junction here. That's actual proper porcelain, by the way. And this is the stuff we've got here. Fridge. This is all your minor junctions. I got one cigarette lighter plug there, and it all, like, you can switch them on and off with that switch. But I decided, no bugger, I'm going to put two, because one of them is going to have that quad USB, that 4 USB thinger in that's lying around here. That thing I was showing the other day. The two in the back of the plug and the other two in there. And then I thought, hang on a minute, you've got a whole 12-volt battery and no actual cigarette lighter plug directly to the deep cycle. I thought that's a freaking stupid idea. So one of those plugs is for this, and the other one's just going to be empty. To maybe put in that half-destroyed old portable DVD player that's got no battery anymore that I've got, that does run on 12 volt without a problem. And of course all the positive of those cigarette lighters is going through a 20 amp automotive fuse there. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to put it all in. I've got the battery all sitting in there on its polystyrene, held in with a nylon strap. I've even strapped in the blooming water tank as well, and done my plug here. That's the one that plugs straight into what the auto electrician gave us. So if we've got to jump start anyone else or any other strange shenanigans are going on, I can pull the plug on that and keep the dual battery system and the solar panel charge controller sitting over in the van at the moment, and the VSR and all the other bits all separate from the entire bloomin' circus that's going on. I've still got to just tighten the eyelets in the back of that there, but the rest of that's all go. And in case you don't realise, this one here, once it's in place, clips into that one there, and that's your negative for your relay for your VSR, but I've just got to tighten them. And then I've got to start mounting everything in place, and hopefully sometime tomorrow we'll all be go, aside from maybe a couple of solar panels that I've still got to solder a few wires on, but the bulk of the system will be all set up, all the wiring done, and then I can think about getting the fridge in, but I'll have to retake the fridge back. There's a fridge plug, by the way, NGL. You have to take the fridge out again to finish the drain pipe for the sink, and I've still got to piss around with a back hitch mount for a container that's a few gallons to catch me grey water, because I want to have it. Common thing now is, especially national parks, you can come in only if you're self-contained and you're not dropping grey water on the ground. So I've got to work out a little bit of a carriage system for a thing on the back hitch before I play with all that. So anyway, hopefully all this will be screwed in and mounted tomorrow.